Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a new video and I thought, why don't we make something different? So I'm gonna make a pillow, which is gonna be my first time, and I am using my Procreate app and that alpha pattern that I found on Pinterest. We're gonna make this cat. So I measured the actual cat and that's 38 chains by 50 rows. And so I kind of wanted a little bit equal numbers of chains, so I'm going to do 54 chains on the bottom and 54 rows. So we're going to add extra 9 chains on each side in purple. I'll show you the colors I'll be using, and then we'll add just two chains on the top, and then we're going to just make a clear back, and then we're going to just sew it with a yarn needle, flip it over, and then put in the stuffing. We'll get to that later. So let's start working on this. So we're gonna start with using these two purple lilac colors from each side, so we're not wasting too much. And I'm super excited about this pillow because for cardigans, I have to cut in the pieces when I do go across, just so it looks a little bit smoother. But for pillows, we don't have to because we're gonna be hiding that inside of the pillow. So this should be very easy and I'm super excited. So we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna start with our white yarn and our black for the cat. So let's get started and then see how it goes. Oh, I'm also gonna be using a 3.25mm hook because I like my stitches to be tight so you don't see any stuffing coming out. So let's get started. So I just finished our first row, which is just starting on the legs, and I'm going to not pause, but just time lapse everything, and then I'm gonna slow down and update you guys after when I get tired in an hour or so. I'm just gonna do a real quick update of the front of the pillow. So this is how far we've gotten. So do you guys see the cat? It looks so cute. And so now we're coming up on the mouth, and I'm gonna post a picture right here so you guys can see where we're at. So we're almost done actually. So let's continue working with that. I'm gonna go to my shelf and grab the light pink, this shade, and then this darker shade, and then we're gonna keep going, and then I think I'm gonna be done today, which is awesome. Right now it's 1:05, so I think by maybe 2:30 we'll be done, and then we'll continue working on the back and then sew it together. So this is gonna be fun if I can finish it all in one day. So let's keep going and see how it goes. For the pink, I think I'm gonna use this one and this pink, so let's grab those two together. Okay guys, I just finished the front. Here it is. The kitty looks amazing. Do you guys see the kitty? It's sticking its tongue out. It looks awesome. It is messy on the back, which is fine because we're gonna make another back piece with just lilac, I'm not sure, lavender color, and then just attach it. We'll stuff it in and stuff. And I left a really long strand of yarn so we can sew around and then flip it over and then just finish one more side sewing it. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna now take pictures, post it on my Instagram, and then continue working on the back piece starting today, and I'll probably do it until tomorrow and I should be done. I am also almost done with Harry Potter, so I think we're gonna finish the pillow at the same time that I'm gonna bench watch all the Harry Potter movies because we're almost done with part 1 of the movie 7. So I'm super excited to finish both the pillow and the Harry Potter series. One thing that I am not liking so much is look how big this pillow is. So the pillow is gonna be pretty long, I would say. I kind of like my pillows to be more wide than long. So that's something that I've learned from this experience, and next time I think I'm gonna have an image a little bit smaller, which I already have a really cute one. So let's continue working on this and see how it goes. Okay guys, it's day 2 and I am working on the back piece of the pillow, and I've done 36 rows of the same stitch as the as the front. And so now I'm gonna reconnect, because this is what I have left over from the last yarn. Connect this to that and then finish up to 53 rows. So we're almost done, and then we're gonna sew with our yarn needle and then stuff it. Whoop! So I finished 53 rows by 54 chains. So this is gonna be a really long pillow. So now let's attach our front and back together, and then we're gonna leave one side kind of halfway through, flip it over, and then we'll stuff it in. I'll show you what I mean. So let's get working. I got my yarn needles right here. So let's put it in and see how it goes. So the bad sides are gonna be facing towards you. So then, because then we're gonna flip it over inside out, and then you'll see this. So I'm gonna grab my long yarn strand. So we're gonna do like the way I close all my cardigans. We're just going to go through the back loop. So this is the first thing. Okay, so I just finished kind of attaching most of the sides for the pillow. So I left just a little bit of a hole in here, because now we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna use the stuffing that I got from Michael's long time ago. I hope this is enough. So we'll see. Let's start working on that. Next time maybe I'll do like a zipper or something. So here it is. Looks awesome. And so now let's start stuffing it, and then we'll finish our, I'm just gonna clean all the corners. Very nice, clean finish. Except on this side, I'm sure it won't be that clean, but let's do it. No, it's open. Oh, I opened it in the middle. So now we're just gonna take chunks and we're gonna stuff it. I hope I have enough. That's fun.
Few moments later.
So I ran into an issue. So look how clean these sides look, but then when I try to do this side, I don't like this at all. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna undo everything around it, and I'm gonna take out the stuffing, and then I'm going to slip stitch all the way across instead of doing the yarn needle, just because, like, as nice as it looks, it's just not gonna look this nice over here on this side. So let's do that, and then I'll get back.
Few moments later. 3 days later. 1 eternity later.
Yay! So I finished the pillow. This is my first pillow. So I did single crochet or a slip stitch all across the side, the bottom, and this other side, and just weaved in the end. This is as much stuffing as I had, but here it is. It's super awesome. It's comfy. I am super happy how it turned out. I'm definitely excited to make more pillows. This is a lot of fun, and I learned a lot, because I don't think I'll do any more longer pillow, but maybe more wider. But here it is. I'll take final photos and post it on my Instagram and start editing the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.